Are you concerned about the rising cost of advertising and the fact that no matter how much money you spend on advertising, it's just never enough? Maybe you're concerned about the fact that the results from that advertising is just not coming in like it used to. You're spending the same, you may even be spending more, but getting less from it. So what do you do? Have you also noticed as well that there's quite often people that are not as experienced as you, not been trading as long as you, but seem to be reaching out further than what you do? How are they doing that? You see, I had the same problem in 2010. I'd run a letting agency for over 20 years, but that's just a regional business. I knew that I could put adverts in the paper, put select boards out, and business would come to me. But when I decided to set up a franchise in 2010, and all of a sudden I had to reach a national market, and I was competing against people with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds worth of budget, I had to step up my game. We had to look to a new market, to a new way of bringing people to the business. And that's where we created what I'm going to talk to you today about, the Expert Creator System. You see, what you need as a business now is a way to get your content out there, to reach markets and to find consumers and to bring them into your business. About the law of attraction. It's a totally different game to what it used to be. No longer can you just rely on sticking an advert in the paper and see what comes in. The world has changed. The Expert Creator System covers 6 key elements. The first of all is about brand. You see, I'm not talking here about what your logo looks like or what company colours you decide to go for. What I'm talking about here is, have you branded your business? Have you actually put your business into a format that people will understand? The first part of our system we call the Brand Building Blueprint. This is where our students learn how to actually put their business into an understandable format that people will be able to go, ah, yeah, that's what that is. They'll be able to talk about it, share about it, get excited about it, and understand instantly exactly what it is that you do and what you offer to them. Very, very important, and can become the basis of all of your marketing and promotions. The next part of the system is about getting out there. You see, if you're not advertising, how are you going to get out there? How are people going to see you? How are you going to find clients? How are you going to bring people to you? How are you going to get them to like you, to love you, to want to talk about you and to do business with you? This part of the model we call the Reach Out Explosion Formula. The Reach Out Explosion Formula is about you creating the most amazing content that will just explode out into the marketplace. Using this method, I actually got 3,000 hits on one single article on my website within 1 hour by writing content that was in the news, that was relevant, that was emotive and connected with the core hearts and minds of the people I was trying to reach. If you can do that, it's powerful and it will bring people to you in droves. The next part of our system is about connections. It's okay having a great brand and having a way to create great content, but you've got to get a way to get that content out there. You need connections, you need community, you need people that will share and spread and talk about your content and what you actually do. For this part of the model, we created the fan-based format. You see, this is about creating a huge range of fans, friends, followers, online contacts, people that read your blogs, your posts and consume your content. And this can be across all many different platforms, but at the end of the day, it's people that communicate with you, that will get to know you, that will get to like you, that will get to understand you, and you will get to like, know and understand them too. Creating that loyal fan base that your business needs. You see, utilising the fan base format, only last week we managed to get over 3,600 hits on a landing page for a book that we were promoting in 5 days. Why? Because we created content that was relevant and specific to our fan base, which they then spread, shared, liked and connected. It went huge, and in 5 days 3,600 hits on one single promotional web page. I think you'll agree is pretty awesome stuff. The next part of our system is about getting validation. You see, you may have a great brand, you may have the ability to create great content, you may have lots of fans and friends that can share your stuff, but why should they believe you? Why should they listen to you? And why should they trust you? For that, we've created the ACE system, the Authentic Champion Empowerment. This is about giving you the skills that you need to actually become that expert. For example, if you were called upon to give an interview by the BBC, would you be able to? Would you be able to come across authentic, professional, clear, understandable? Would you be able to get those right messages across? If you were asked to speak on stage, would you, could you, would you know the skills that you need to give that presentation? Would you be able to give a presentation without streams and streams of PowerPoints or notes? And that's what this is about, giving you the skills that you need to create what you need to get that validation out there. Using this method, one of our students managed to achieve 8 airings across 5 different BBC channels in one day. That's 5 different BBC TV and radio channels aired her story 8 times in one single day. You cannot buy that type of advertising, that type of marketing. And that's what the ACE system gives you, the ability to be able to get that validation that you need to bring people into your business and for them to trust you and want to work with you. The next part of our system is about creating a community. You may have a fantastic brand. You may be able to write compelling, engaging content. You may have thousands of fans spread across various platforms, and you may have the validation that you need. But it's still hard work. So putting them into a community where you can communicate with all of them in one go makes life a lot easier. But not only that, they know where to get your products from. They know how to consume your content. They understand and learn to like from you. And they learn to know that they can learn from you and share from you. They will then talk about you and spread the word and get the message out there. And for that, we call the community creation system. It's powerful stuff and a great way of being able to communicate in one place with your whole network. But see, all this is great. But at the end of the day, the really valuable thing here is about converting that into sales. And it's important not only to convert into sales, but also to value your time and find ways to optimize what you do. This part of the system we call the MORE system, which is the monetize, optimize, reap and enjoy. Why? It's about monetizing your contacts, it's about optimizing your time, and it's about reaching out there. So how do you optimize? Let me give an example. If you were to give a presentation on stage, 1.5 hours, 50 people might see it. But if you were to record it, you could create a DVD. You could use that DVD as either a free bonus or you could even sell it as a product. You could get that transcribed. You could create an ebook. And then with a little bit of development, you maybe even create a book. And that's how you optimize, guys, how you take one single piece of content and duplicate it, replicate it, and expand it to create valuable content that you can sell or promote to your community. So this is the Expert Creator System. We're running a 2-day workshop on this where you will learn all 6 parts of the system. In fact, you'll learn everything you need to know to leave and to implement it into your business straight away so that you can optimize all of that knowledge, experience and expertise that you've got so that you can start to build the business that you know you should have. I look forward to seeing you soon.